bro hit a pothole. I'm just like, I'm talking about, I slowed all the way down going like 10. He still hit the pothole. I'm like, we hustle daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another video today. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell and join the Hustle Nation. There's a lot of traffic on this road. Today we're going to be taking the red Lexus GS350 to Rich. Finally got to take this thing to Rich, man. Well, it ain't finally. It's only been like a couple of days. Y'all know my boy Rich is going out of town soon, so we got to take it to him and get this thing situated. So I'm on my way to my mom's house to go ahead and pick up the car. It's looking like there's a lot of traffic this way. I'm gonna have to go another way. Pick up the car so we can take it there. I told him I was gonna be there by a certain time. I'm actually running late. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell and join the Hustle Nation. And make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com if you guys are interested in learning how to buy, sell, and properly inspect cars at the auction or private party sales. Yeah, he's turning around. So yeah, I'm gonna go pick up the car from my mom's crib, and I'm gonna see y'all in the car, man. But I'm definitely not going that way because that's crazy. Look. What we got? We got some ass out here today, boy. Look, we got ass and titties out here. Watch this. Y'all gonna love this. Watch this. Look, dude ass waving and everything. Look. They going crazy. It's a Jamaican, it's a little Jamaican thing going on over there, man. What the hell? Y'all see old girl like, stop playing with her. Hold up. Y'all see the cheeks out, man. Let me see what we got. We got hella police, bro. They going crazy, man. Look. Hella police, bro. Got that. Oh, she got a bottle paint spray on, don't she? Ooh, we gotta stop playing with her. Stop playing with y'all see her. There's a whole lot of they ass dressed out here like that. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all social media platforms: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Everything in the link in the description below. Can I make a right though? So they not letting me make a left. My brother at. All right, so we got my little bro actually helping us today. Damn, I'm about to say more traffic. So we got my little brother helping us today. Just gave y'all a little eye candy a little bit. They looking real nasty out here, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell and join the Hustle Nation. Y'all gotta be a part of the Hustle Nation. Y'all see what's going on, don't y'all? Make sure y'all go to wehustledaily.com if y'all interested in learning how to buy, sell, and properly inspect cars at the auction. This dude don't know where he going. Or private party sales, wehustledaily.com. But like I say, I got my little brother following me here today, on the way to Rich shop. Shout out to him because now I don't have to take an Uber all the way over there. Yeah, so little bro is gonna help me out. I'm trying to see which way I should take little bro ass. Little bro, I don't know how good of a driver bro is, honestly. Let me see. Right? Oh, he gotta stop. Okay. Little bro say he see right here. He see me. Gotta wait for him. But yeah, man, I don't know how good little bro of a driver little bro is. Y'all see what happened to my mirror. I had to take it off because of the it came off. I came to pick the car up from, I think that was yesterday. No, I didn't pick it up yesterday, but I came to come look at something yesterday on the car, and I seen that the It was just some potholes. I'm looking at little bro ass. Y'all see him? Oh shit. Y'all can't see him. Anyway. Make sure, yeah, I already told y'all, wehustledaily.com. Make sure y'all follow me on all social media platforms too. Everything's in a link in the description below. Everything's in a link in the description below. And make sure y'all follow the right Instagram, man, because it's like 2 or 3 other Instagrams that's fake. But like I told y'all, I'm on my way to Rich Shop. I am going to be a little late, but it is what it is. Let me slow down for him, boy, because it's hella potholes. That's why I didn't want to take him over here. Is he gonna hit that damn pothole? My little brother can't drive. My little bro can't drive, bro. We gotta get him on the road a little more. He does have his license and everything. He just can't drive like that, bro. He don't drive a lot. My brother's a game head. You know, he played a game all goddamn day, every day. I tried to get him to make a... Damn, they got 2 dead dogs out here. Oh, my God. Come on, y'all. They probably was damn fighting them damn dogs. Damn, ran right into the pothole. We gotta get bro out the black Lexus, man. Oh my God, he's killing me. I'll see y'all when we get to Rich Shop, man. God damn. As soon as I get off the camera, look, another one. As soon as I get off the camera, bro, he hit another fucking pothole. Damn, this boy need a goddamn. And they talking about they want a car from him. They need a fucking beater for him. He gonna run over every pothole, bro. Like, come on, bro. I'm sitting there. I went slow over the pothole. He still hit the damn pothole. Come on, bro. And if one of y'all, if y'all asking why I took that way, it's only because of that goddamn Jamaican parade they fucking had just going on. So I had to take that way, or else I would have been in traffic. But damn, my boy done hit the pothole. Through 2, 3 of them. I don't know. That red look good. Is the F? It ain't the F. It look good. It don't in there. Oh, that's how I'm riding right now. We riding the same. There ain't no F. You need to let me get the mirror and the door off that motherfucker, man. The door and the fender. The mirror, the door, and the fender off that thing, man. Let me get that window, that window, and that door and that fender, bro. All right, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all when we get over there again. But it's like as soon as I turned the camera off, bro hit a pothole. I'm just like, I'm talking about. I slowed all the way down, going like 10. He still hit the pothole. I'm like, what's up, Hustle Nation? This video has been sponsored to you by wehustledaily.com, the online course that's going to teach you everything you need to know about the auction game, all my tips on how to properly inspect cars, and most importantly, how to make money. As you can see, I've been doing this for a while, and as you can also see, I have plenty of testimonials on how I've helped others gain success in this business. So if you're interested in learning, be sure to click the link in the description below. All right, y'all, we finally made it, man. Ain't really that much. They ain't really too crowded though. I thought the damn gate was closed. I'm about to say, damn, it's only 10 minutes after, 12 minutes after, something like that. So we over here, man, by the shop. I'm about to drop the shop off to my boy Rich. We'll leave it right here. Oh man, damn, my little brother can't drive. Straight up. His ass can't drive. I wouldn't lie to you. Tell you he could. He's just gonna park over there. That's cool. Y'all see it, man? Oh. Y'all see it though, man. So we about to drop this thing off. I don't even know if Rich here. I gotta see if my boy Rich is here, actually. Little bro can stay over there. I guess that's cool. So we are dropping it off at the shop, man. So next time y'all see this thing, it should be definitely fixed. Everything on it should be fixed. Everything. Remember, I'll show y'all one more time because it's definitely gonna be the last time it looks like this. So got that. I didn't even tell him about this. If he gonna fix that, he can. If not, he don't got to, honestly. that. You know, it's gonna be painted on the whole side. Gonna be painted. The door and the fender. And the door do got a little metallic in it. Y'all see, I can really see it now. I gotta get another mirror, man. This mirror is dingy, all dingy and stuff. I gotta get another one, man. So y'all see it? That thing is hitting, though, ain't it? That thing going crazy. Let me see if my boy Rich is here. Let me ask him real quick. They got an old ass Ford. What you call it? Let me see. Let me ask him real quick. All right, y'all. My boy Rich ain't even here, man. I ain't get here in time, so we leaving the car here. My boy working on some body work right there. He going crazy on the back of that Camry. Got the whole machine, body work machine and everything. That's what's up. That little bro get out the front seat, bro. He tripped. He do not know how to drive. Let's talk to this guy. He tweaking. Look at this guy. What the hell is he doing? Man, get out the seat, man. Get out the seat, dog. This dude hitting every pothole.
Right. Like I didn't just avoid everything.
You did?
I did.
You did?
Yes.
Boy, stop. Boy, stop. Boy, stop. I can move all that. Let me get in the car real quick. I'll be right back with y'all in a second. Well, actually, I don't need to get up. I don't just cut the video off. Actually, hold on. Set that right there. You said you avoided the potholes? Man, I could not tell you was avoiding those potholes. I could not tell you was avoiding those potholes, boy. I cannot tell. You was looking like you was hitting every pothole in the book. I was telling the Hustle Nation about you. I'm like, damn, Hustle Nation, he's tearing my Lexus up. But, like y'all see what's going on. Had to leave the red Lexus there. I was gonna chop it up with Rich, but Rich ain't even there, man. Didn't get there in time. You calling somebody? Yeah. She might be on the phone. It says calling. But anyway, like I say, had to leave it there since my boy ain't there right now. I guess I didn't make it in time for him. Okay, I was listening to that. But what is that coming on? Okay. Yeah, man, let's listen to a book, man. Little Think and Grow Rich, man. But yep, we gonna leave the Lexus there. Gotta find us a mirror. I did lock the door. Got nothing in there. I don't think. Nah. I think I should have everything out. So yeah, guys. So, damn, I was gonna chop it up with my boy for a second, but he ain't even there, man. He ain't even there, shorty. But at least I got a little action for y'all to see. AJ, you seen all that action? Huh? You seen all that action? You know what I'm talking about? Y'all know what action I'm talking about? What all the naked girls was out there. Yeah, you seen it. Shout out to the whole entire Hustle Nation, though. I guess that's just gonna be a wrap. I actually have to. I was gonna change the oil and stuff in this car, but I don't got no clothes to do that in. So I guess we're not gonna be doing that. I do need a car wash though, but I'm gonna just make that another video. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation. We have dropped the red Lexus off. It'll probably be, it might take them a little longer to do this one, so maybe like max a week. You feel me? It's not gonna feel like a week to y'all. I'll probably give y'all the video a little earlier when I get it. But shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, man. And again, man, follow me on all social media platforms. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Shout out to y'all. Appreciate all y'all support. It's your boy Ray, Big Plate Ray. Let him put his seatbelt on today. I'm out. Peace.
Subscribe.
Yes, sir.
We're getting it in the pandemic.
You already know, man.
We don't give a damn about no depression, recession. We gonna make it happen.
You already know, man.